Hi guys, I'm Anna and today I want to talk about cohesion and coherence in IELTS writing. If you remember, in previous videos we made an abbreviation for IELTS writing assessment criteria. That abbreviation is called IELTS WAC. Cohesion and coherence is the second component of IELTS WAC. You may have searched for a definition or a way or a description to increase the score of cohesion and coherence in your writing. You may have found some information, for example, cohesion and coherence mean actually the flow in your writing, or cohesion and coherence mean using the correct cohesive devices. However, these guidelines cannot help you to increase the score of cohesion and coherence in your writing. You need a clear description of cohesion and coherence. The good news is that we have defined this concept under 5 subcategories. So let's take a look at these 5 components of cohesion and coherence. First one is called essay structure. Second one, logical sequence of ideas. Third, lexical and grammatical cohesion. Next one, progression. And finally, cohesive devices. So now you have a more clear picture of cohesion and coherence in your writing. If you want to learn more about these 5 components, you can check this link, find our book called IELTS Writing Task 2, The Miracle Maker. We have explained all about these 5 components in detail. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.